So let's have a look on how we can differentiate the following using the product rule. This is the quickest way to do it I'm about to show you. So the way my method works is we look at the two function where x is one function and it's been multiplied by the second function, which is 1 plus 3x to the power 5. So the way my method works is we are going to differentiate one of the first function, and differentiation of x is simply 1. So it'll be 1 times, I'm going to rewrite the equation again, which is 1 plus 3x to the power 5 plus, let me put an x here so we're not getting confused. So plus, then now we're going to leave the first function as it is, which is an x. And now we are going to differentiate the second function. And I'm going to put all of it in a bracket. So in order to differentiate the second function, I need to apply the chain rule, which I've covered in one of the previous videos. If you have to go and check that out. So the way that chain rule works is we differentiate the outer layer, which is the number in front of the x, in front of the bracket, which is 1. So it'll be 1 times the power, which gives us 5. Then we're going to rewrite the function again, which is 1 plus 3x. And now we're going to decrease 1 from the power, becomes to the power 4. And now we have to differentiate the inner function of that function. And therefore, the differentiation of 1 plus 3x simply gives us 3. So we can close brackets. And now we can simplify this out. So the first function stays the same. So that becomes 1 plus 3x to the power, all to the power 5. Plus the second function here becomes x times 5, which is 5x, times 3, which is 15x. Bracket 1 plus 3x all to the power 4. So now our differentiation is done, but we need to ask ourselves, is this a simplified answer? Which is not quite. So what we can do from here is we can see there's 1 plus 3x, 1 plus 3x in both terms. So we can take 4 lots of 1 plus 3x out. So let's do that. So if you take 1 plus 3x out to the power 4, we are left with one lot of 1 plus 3x, because that's to the power 5. So that becomes 1 plus 3x. But then the 4 lots come out, so that'll be plus 15x. So now if you simplify this out, so that gives us 1 plus 3x to the power 4 bracket, and this here simplifies down to 1 plus 18x. And now this is our answer simplified. So this is how you do the product rule. This is a nice and quick way to do it. And then we simplified our answer, making sure that our answer is in the simplest form. Thank you.